Hi everyone and welcome to this YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. How to make $100 a day online in 2022. 1. Paid surveys. Another straightforward online side hustle for you to make easy money is doing paid surveys. Did you know that there are lots of sites out there that offer you to take surveys and then pay you for them? Granted, it's not the most profitable venture, but it's worth giving it a shot since it's so easy and available. 2. Freelance writing. If you have solid writing skills and can quickly get the hang of all kinds of different topics in a short amount of time, then you should definitely try freelance writing. Depending on the work, the number of words, and a client's budget, you can make less and more than $100 per day. Some word count requirements are less than 500 words, but most of them are usually between 1,200 and 2,000 words. Nowadays, there are plenty of websites you can search for freelance work. All you need to do is sign up and list your skills and expertise. Some of the sites may ask for an existing portfolio. These are some of the best freelance marketplace websites right now. Upwork. If you've ever dabbled in freelancing, you must have heard about Upwork. It's a site that offers different kinds of freelance jobs in sectors such as software and web design, as well as graphic design, writing, translation, engineering, and architecture. It's a great place to search for freelance work if you're just starting out. Contently. As the name suggests, this company is aimed specifically at freelance writers. Contently works by connecting writers with top global brands. If you want to sign up for their services, you will have to upload a portfolio. So this is recommended for more experienced writers who have many completed projects and at least a few years' worth of work experience under their belt. We Work Remotely. This is another great site to search for freelance work. It offers remote jobs all around the world for all kinds of tech and writing expertise. 3. Write sponsored posts. Sponsored posts are pretty self-explanatory. Basically, companies and businesses pay you to write good stuff about them, their services, and their products on your site or blog. What you need to do is talk about a product or a brand you like, tell your readers how you use it, and inform them how they can benefit from it as well. Now, how much you earn depends, again, on several factors: the niche you're in, how often you write sponsored posts, who pays you, etc. Payments range from a couple of $100s to several $1,000s per post, but sometimes also tens of thousands of dollars if your site has a lot of traffic. Now, an important thing to remember when writing sponsored posts is that you should generally write about products and companies that you like, trust, and actually have tried out. These should be brands and businesses that you genuinely feel good about, that you believe in, and don't have a problem promoting. That way, it'll be much easier to gain trust with your readers, because if they don't think you're genuine, it'll definitely hurt your site's growth. 4. Coaching and consultation. Provided that you're an expert in a particular field, coaching is a great way to earn money online. This usually works really well if you first put some effort into building your brand online through your website. Once people begin to trust you and realize that you have expertise and integrity, they will start to approach you on their own. They will ask you how you got to where you are now, how they can apply the same ideas and methods to their own business ideas or well-established companies. At first, you may be tempted to give free advice, but as more people approach you, you will feel the urge to start charging for your consultations. Again, the amount of money you'll earn from your consultations will depend on the niche you're in. Business coaches make a pretty good amount of money, somewhere around $235 per hour, and executive coaches make even more, $325 an hour. Other types of coaches, like life coaches, also make good money, but less than the ones mentioned above, like $160 an hour. 5. Write an ebook or sell another type of digital product. This is a pretty easy way to make money online. For this to work, you have to have a certain amount of expertise in a field, so you know what you're talking about and why you're actually writing the ebook. But you can also write something shorter, like an online guide or a tutorial. If you're in the nutrition niche, you can create meal plans, or if you're in the sports niche, you can create an exercise routine. Nowadays, ebooks are really easy to promote and disseminate. You can put yours on your website for sale, but you can also sell it through Amazon and, of course, promote it on social media platforms. Additionally, you can make a type of digital subscription in which you will serialize your expertise or knowledge, share step-by-step guides, and churn out fresh and up-to-date content for your subscribers. 6. Google AdSense. You'll need a website, but you can make $100 a day. Google AdSense is a digital advertising program designed by Google for bloggers, website owners, and YouTubers to use and make money from the ads advertised on Google. It's a fairly simple strategy to earn income online. You will have to sign up with the program, and then Google will give you a code, known as an AdSense code, that you then need to copy and paste on your website. From then onwards, Google does most of the work, and you get money every time someone either clicks on your ads. Now, of course, the success of your AdSense program depends on your niche. Typically, ads that have to do with financial advising and insurance, as well as online education, will bring you money faster than niches like electronics, fashion, retail, food, fitness, and health. 7. Create online courses. Offering online courses is similar to coaching, which means you need to have a deeper understanding of a certain topic or a set of skills. With the requirements for social distancing and the overall anxiety the pandemic has set off, online courses have become a way for people to keep learning and stay connected, which means your expertise is likely to be much more appreciated nowadays. 8. Sell physical products online. If you're highly creative, have a side hobby, and are very good at a particular handicraft, then it's not a bad idea to invest in it and try selling your creations online. Whether it's handmade soaps, handmade candles, handmade jewelry, t-shirts, shawls, other pieces of clothing, mugs, or illustrations, whatever it is, there is a place on the internet for it. Nowadays, there are plenty of online stores and platforms on which you can sell your handmade products, including Etsy, Amazon Handmade, Ruby Lane, Afkra for US users only, and Folksy for UK users only. 9. Work as a virtual assistant VA. Bloggers and online business owners could always use a helping hand, and that's where you come in as a virtual assistant. It's usually a fairly easy job that can be done from home. You'll need to do some admin work and post on social media, but you can also act as customer support. The specific job description depends on your employer's needs. You'll do whatever they need most at the moment for their business to operate smoothly. 10. Buy and sell websites and domain names. That's right, trading websites and domains can bring you big money sometimes. If you want to search for websites to buy and later sell, check out Flippa, an online marketplace that offers websites, apps, and digital real estate, like online businesses. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.